I hate my job. Should I quit and go full time on my business? Not so fast. Here is what you must consider first. I feel like my job is holding me back. Quitting too soon can be a disaster. Let's analyze your situation. Do you have a stable income from your business? Your business should already be making money before you quit. Save at least 6 months worth of expenses first. Are you comfortable with uncertainty? Entrepreneurship is unpredictable. Can you handle the stress? Start part-time first and build confidence before you quit. Do you have a business plan? Without a clear strategy, you are just gambling. Create a step-by-step roadmap before making the leap. So I should quit only when I am financially ready. Yes, build wisely and you will transition smoothly. Are you ready to quit your 9 to 5? Comment below. Like and subscribe for more smart business moves.